All right, guys, are you ready to unleash the horsepower to this supercharged LSA beast? Here we go. All right, easy start. Woo-wee! Did you guys hear that supercharger line? Well, guys, if you're ready, I'm ready. So let's get strapped in and take this LSA for a ride. This car is all about. I mean, the styling of this car definitely sets it off. And we have our little red matching seatbelt right here. That matches with that beautiful gloss red exterior of this car with a few color matched attributes. Look at that front bumper, just blends right in to the SS front end of this bad boy. Looking really sleek and stylish. I mean, come on, this car is 54 years old. I hope I'm this good looking as this car is when I'm 54. I can tell you that right now. Super aggressive looking from the front, like I said, with that SS front end, with our Restomod LED headlight package in there, performing well whether daytime or nighttime. But the side of this car, super aggressive, with those awesome brushed face, 19-inch in the front and 20 inches in the rear with that massive 275mm wide tire on there, really trying to grasp the power that this LSA motor is throwing down. I mean, with such high horsepower, we gotta stop. And if you look right behind those wheels, helping us out is the 6-piston Wilwood disc brakes up front with the matching 4 pistons in the rear, drilled and slotted rotors, doing its job when somebody gets out in front of this red 69 Camaro. But this baby has a hidden secret, and it's right underneath that hood. That LSA, baby. Supercharged 6.2-liter motor. Man, you hit that pedal. Woo, you hear that supercharger whine. It's got a bunch of aftermarket accessories. So guys, stay tuned, because we're gonna go to the barn later and explain all of these accessories at this motor, the transmission that we got in here, and even the inside. We're gonna go over it detail by detail. But for right now, let's just enjoy this ride. Ooh, you hear that supercharger whine, baby. Wow. LSA 6.2-liter V8 engine. So definitely enough horsepower when you want it there, but when you just press the gas and just cruise, you can barely feel the shift points, and it's pushing it right through this 4L70E automatic transmission, which in my opinion is way better than a 4L60E. Definitely a lot more heavy duty, plus it has a few key features that I like, such as cruise control. 54-year-old vehicle with cruise control. Who would have thought? And as you guys just noticed, we barely had any wheel spin. This baby is pushing it right through that 12-bolt Moser built rear end. I mean, that downshift, baby, just throws your head right back. But definitely a sleeper, right? I mean, the car looks super nice and calm. It doesn't have a crazy loud exhaust. wheel that would have came on the car back factory back in '69. So playing off the exterior with that factory looking steering wheel, factory OEM styling, is that factory radio. But it's not factory, guys. AM FM with auxiliary and USB. Right above that, modern amenities, heat and air conditioning, vintage air conditioning. With a car like this, on a hot summer day, we need that air. Also keeping us cool are these awesome tinted windows all the way around. And it doesn't stop there. We have a center console with cup holder. How many times have I taken some of these